Hello viewers, welcome to our channel TechVideos. In this video, we are sharing with you how to take a screenshot in Windows 10. So keep watching till the end and stay with us. If you don't subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel and thumbs up like button. So let's start. Search in here snipping tool. Snipping tool. Here you can see snipping app, so click on it. Now you can see this pop-up window. You can take a screenshot for use. Click on the downward arrow, choose free from snip. You can drag your mouse to capture a specific area. I am click on the new option for use another option. Again click on the downward arrow, rectangular option. You can capture a specific area, use rectangular option. So you can see, and again click on the new option, window snip. You can use this option for window snip. You can see full screen. It is captured Windows full screen. So I am click on this option, open editing tools. You can edit a screenshot, use these simple tools, and send email attachment. You can print this screenshot. Now I want to save this screenshot, so I am click on the save as option, put the name for your screenshot file. Finally click on the save button. Now I want to show you how to create a shortcut for snipping. Again search in here snipping tool, right click on this app, then click on the open file location option. In here you can see snipping app shortcut, so right click on this shortcut, go to properties. In here you can use any key for shortcut. Simply I am pressing S. Now you can see it's created automatic shortcut, Ctrl plus Alt plus S. Click on the apply button and OK button. Now I am pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus S key. Now it's opening snipping tool. So you can use this shortcut key for saving your time. I hope you enjoy this video. If you have any question, let us know in the comment section. If you don't subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel and thumbs up like button. Share this video with your friends who want to know how to take a screenshot from Windows 10.